What's up, guys? It's Basil, aka Non-Responsive, and today we're installing these Skunk 2 camber kits on Lilly.
Got my bag on
Okay, so the gist of it, we gotta swap the rack and pinion, basically the steering, and then rear control arms, like I said before, and then the front control arms. We're gonna see if those fit, but hopefully we'll be able to get it in by the end of the night. We'll see. It's been a while, so what we're about to do, I just finished these. They've been sitting for like about a week, so the paint's, had some time to settle. About to go install my inner outer tie rods, clean these up a little bit, and just work on the rear suspension. Decided to get a little bit wicked, have that two-tone gray with the purple. You already know, looking beautiful. Smoke gray. I tried to make it smoke, but it just turned out like a lightish, darkish gray. But it's all good. It still looks good, you know what I mean? Here's Lily right here. I know I'm breathing like a fat person, but I'm a little fat, so it's all good. We got the rack and pinion with only like 80,000 miles. My inner and outer tie rods, left and right. Skunk 2 rear camber kits. You already know, representing for the Skunk 2. Moving a little slow. It's been about an hour, but I got the inner and outer tie rods out, the stock ones. Putting in the new inners right now. Look at those. Oof. Oof. So when you're doing this for your car, you gotta buy, well, basically it's $90 for this freaking piece right here. And that's how I'm gonna tighten them. I already got them. I counted 19 threads on each side, so that's what I did right here. She's looking a little neglected right now. Look, a couple cobwebs on here. Let me show you. Cobwebs up the ass. Spiders found a new home, but I'm gonna take it from them. You already know. A home wrecker.
Turning, I went from being a servant to being a platinum deserver, you feel me? Did a song with Meek Millie, called it Lilly, really, I just did it for the city in love with Philly. Got this chinchilla fur on me just in case it get chilly. Burning on my side pocket, that just in case you get. Before she could even finish, she broke out in tears and did it. Told me that the dreams night was a repetition of feeling of fear that she couldn't see the exit or quit it. The feeling was there. Started talking lower as she told me come in. She said she had to make choices, so she got involved with that make noise with them things she felt. Ran off in her uncle's side with the stainless steel.
So quick update, it's late. Finally at a spot where I can actually take a breather. After countless hours of man work, finally got this bitch out. So I didn't want to take out the subframe, so I decided to take out a couple other things. Yes, I took out the headers, took those hoses out, dropped that shift linkage, unscrewed it from this fool. We under the carpet, by the way. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh, time is pick up, 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 yeah. And it's verse 2, I don't fuck with you. Put the green light on your ass and you'll be through. Verse 2, I don't fuck with you. I'll put the green light on your ass and you'll be through, yeah. Ooh, all my niggas blue, and if you take a look, my suspension is too, yeah. Ooh, my niggas are blue, and if you take a look, my suspension is too, yeah. Ooh, I'm like, what it do? And I guess my car's like candy for the boys in blue, yeah. Oh, ball is life. Walk in the room with a vibe. Walk in the room with a side set. Oh, walk in the room with a purpose, yeah. Third and fourth eye open, I see serpents, yeah. Talking loud, boy, in the vermin, yeah. You driving home?
No.
Found out these don't fit, so I'm gonna be posting some DC2 camber kits on OfferUp, I guess, whatever. We're gonna have to see if those rears fit. Hope, most likely they will. Testing. Ooh, let's bolt this bitch in. Okay, so what we have here are the stock camber kits. I already replaced one side, as you can see. That is the rear camber kits. Look at that beautiful suspension. Looks zesty, like a bag of Skittles, you already know. And so we're swapping it with these Skunk 2s, like I said before. So what I did, I adjusted, because when you lower the car, it naturally puts camber. So I eyeballed them, I adjusted both before I'm gonna put them in, and I wanted it an inch out. So it's gonna be, because I have -2 camber, this should bring it back to 0 camber, because I want like 0 camber in the rear, so it's better fitted with the car, and it gives me a bit more performance and grip with the tire as well. So we're gonna see how it looks when we put it in. That's my baby girl, told her she my Billie Jean. I said I wanna slap and taste on what's in them jeans. Know what I mean? It's a Remy thing. I rap so clean and my car clean, and it look mean. It's a fasting.
I'm the love ship sinker, dumb kid singer, tough boy demeanor. I'm the stupid overthinker. I've been trying to solve my problems with the hit of a blunt. I won't lie, I ain't been sober in months. I just smoke when I feel like no one gives a fuck, or when I'm in the dumps just wishing to give it up. That's every single day. These drugs are now a part of me. I'm a painter who's confused and like an artist. I think you broke my heart.
Notice me hentai. Okay, so update. Me and my hobo thumbs just finished. And looks like we got mad positive camber, but we'll actually see when it levels out and the car gets on the ground. You ready? Let's get it. We got 5, 4, 3, 2. Still mad positive camber? Still pretty positive though.
Not as much as it was.
Well, that's just an adjustment I need to make next time I put that ass in the air. But now you can see how bad the wheel bearing really is. See that? And I was driving in a Crest with that. That's not permitted. Don't do that, kids. You'll die. I don't want to hear about any of y'all crashing off the cliff, okay? We got a stock B20 high compression, but still fast. We got fat camber on the front, you know, walking a little pigeon-toed. Cause pigeon-toe gang, you already know, walking pigeon-toed. Cause it's the gang, you know, fucking with the young bro, and we pigeon-toed. Oh yeah, I have a hood, all blacked out, nice and clean, black hood in my back seat. Homie Sam came through. Thanks, bro. I appreciate you. As of right now, Lily's still looking pigeon-toed as fuck, but she's coming together. You know, we got the new windshield wipers on there, the carbon fiber, you know, got the rear wiper on there, you know, ready for the rain and the crest, you know. The fact of the matter is, said if you getting late, you getting paid. Oh, hello, what's up, guys? So, howdy. Yo, so we got the wheel bearing, we are set, and just gotta throw this hoe in. Think in alignment. We back up, boys.
Back when the rap game was praying like this, to act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never be for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame, it won't be cause.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Not Responsive. Just got back from dropping the homie off. He hooked it up with this T right here. Oh, the Datsun 180, or is it the 240? Let me know in the comment section. This is hard. So as far as where Lily sits, I put on the 17s. I got them to fit on the back, but having a little bit of clearance issues with the front, so I'm gonna have to raise up the coilovers. Well, the right has no issue. I just need to raise it an inch higher on the left, because we having some technical difficulties, and yeah, we lost a lot of tire, boys. Yeah, low life. But other than that, she was rolling better than with the 15s on. You know, no more of that weird, awkward shaking, that rubbing. And I think it just looks more flush, a little more better with the 17s as well. If you know what I'm saying, Jay. You know what I'm saying, Jay?
I only eat green yak koala leaf. Wish you were big guns like the Call of Duty. She never say no, she ain't stalling me. I got my heart locked up in the safe. You can't shoot with a pistol, need a K. No, you can't see it, it's attracted by your face. But when it need, I let it out in a safe little place. I can see it on her face.
Once again, thank you guys for supporting the channel. Please like, comment, and to subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good night. We out.